just arrived in Atlanta. We're here to see Ricky Rose, my brother Ross. Look who I bumped into.
Yeah, let's get it. Bentley Gang.
You already know.
Let's go.
The Ghost, Todd Flex, you already know. Ricky Rose, Bentley Gang. My brother Malak, what's up? Buzz T.
What up, what up?
First, Max Booger. NAM. Bro, Chippery. What's happening? Sad shot.
Yeah, y'all know what the going on. Pool. Ross Car Show is over. Bentley Record shit.
Bentley Gang tour. What's up? What's up?
Come on. Bring it in. Bentley Gang. Let's get it. It's time. The time is now. Thank you, God.
Buzz T the Magnet. I'll be a team player. I had to ride with the CEO today.
That's what's up, man.
Our first meeting.
That's what's up. Yes, sir.
What's up? What's up?
Scan the link. It's your boy Booby Blood. It's gonna take you to link to. I dropped my joint with Rose, so it's gonna take you to that, and it's gonna take you to all the other music I got, man. Bentley Record. Turn up.